subtraction, checking of subtraction, regrouping of subtraction. Now today we will start word problem of subtraction. So let's we start from question 1. Question 1 is Mina's cost of Mina's shoes is 1890 rupees and Seema bought new shoes. Its cost is 4561 rupees. So how much more did Seema spend? How much more did Seema spend? इन सीमा ने कितने ज्यादा अधिक खर्च किए, कितने ज्यादा खर्च किए किससे? मीना से. So now let me start from question 1. Cost of, because more cost of Seema shoes. First we will write down the cost of Seema shoes. Cost of Seema shoes 4561 rupees. How many cost? 4561 rupees. Cost of Meena shoes. Cost of Meena shoes 1890 rupees. First we will see which is the more cost, 4561 and less cost is 1890. Seema more cost than Meena. Seema spend more. Seema spend more than मीना. तो सीमा ज्यादा खर्च करती है मीना से. If in question will ask who spend more, who has more, then we will do subtract. 1 minus 0 1. 6 is less than 9, so we will take borrow from 5. 4 is left here. 16 minus 9 7. 4 is again less than 8, so we will take again borrow from 4. 3 is left here. 16 minus 9 is 7. 14 minus 8 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. Seema spent more than Meena. How many rupees? 2671 rupees spent more Seema. Now question 2 is a shopkeeper had 674 eggs. A shopkeeper has 674 eggs and 1 carrot with 158 eggs fell breaking the eggs. इसने बताया कि एक शॉपकीपर के पास कितने एग्स हैं? 674 एग्स एंड उसमें से कुछ कैरेट में से कुछ एग्स नीचे गिर गए तो टूट गए वे. तो इसमें इस क्वेश्चन में हाउ मेनी एग्स रिमेन, व्हाट इज आस्किंग हियर? रिमेन्स मीन्स बचना. रिमेन्स मीन्स बचना. तो अगर बचना पूछते हैं तो वहां पर क्या करते हैं? लेफ्ट मीन्स कितने बच गए, कितने रह गए. तो व्हाट वी विल डू इन दिस क्वेश्चन? सब्ट्रैक्शन. वेयर इज आस्किंग रिमेन, लेफ्ट ओवर एंड डिफरेंस मोर देन, we will do subtract. So first now we will write down the statement of this question. total number of eggs. How many? 674 eggs. How many eggs are it? Total 674. And breaking the eggs. Breaking मतलब टूटना. The eggs. कितने टूट गए? 158. How many eggs are breaking? 158. Remain of eggs. Remain the eggs. Now we will do subtract. If there is in question remain left difference, we will do subtract. 4 is less than 8, so we will take borrow. 6 is left here. 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. How many eggs are left in the carrot? How many eggs? How many eggs are there? 516 eggs are left in the carrot. 516 eggs are remaining. Now, question 3. Question 3 is a man with 6,000, a train with 6,734 पैसेंजर्स. क्या मतलब है इसका? कि एक ट्रेन में कितने पैसेंजर थे, कितने यात्री थे? 6,734. And now there are only 3,528 passengers in the train. A train with 6,734 passengers stops at Delhi station. दिल्ली स्टेशन पर कितने पैसेंजर थे? 6,734. Now there are with 3,520 passengers are left in the train. So how many people got off at the Delhi station? दिल्ली स्टेशन तक कितने पैसेंजर थे, कितने यात्री थे? 6,734. और दिल्ली स्टेशन now there are only 3,520. अब उस ट्रेन में कितने पैसेंजर बचे हैं? 3,528 passengers are left in the train. How many people get off at the Delhi station? तो दिल्ली के स्टेशन पर कितने पैसेंजर नीचे उतर गए ट्रेन से? So now total passenger. Total passengers are 6,734. Get off. Now left the passenger in train. How many? 3,528. 3,528. So get off. How many people get off? Number of people get off. Get off मतलब ट्रेन से कितने उतर गए? Then we will do what we will do? We will do subtraction in this question because there is asking total number of passengers in the train this and left the passenger this and how many get off. कितने उस ट्रेन से उतर गए? So 4 is less than 8. 14 will be here. 3 is 3. How many passengers get off from the train? 3206 passengers are get off the train. कितने उतर गए? 3206. 3206 passengers are get off. So students, I hope you have understood. So do practice at this exercise at home. Thank you and have